In this video, I will show you how to fix your Instagram account two-step verification problem and login back into your Instagram account without any problem. To start, you can open your Instagram application. Here, I believe everyone has your username and password. Enter your username and password, then tap the login in button. By the way, if you don't remember your password, you have to completely recover your account. You can find that recovery tutorial in this video description. Enter your password and username, then tap the login button. Then you will get this two-step verification window. Most of you have turned it on, then you will get this window, as well as if Instagram suspend your account, definitely you will get this two-step verification. So you have to verify yourself. I will tap try another way. Then it will show another two-step verification option. Here, either you can use another device. If you can't access another device right now, all you have to do, just tap try another way and go back and check other possible option. Like this one, you can use your WhatsApp. Instagram send you a one-time verification code to your WhatsApp. If you can't access that, you can use your authentication application code. If you have turned on two-factor authentication using another application, you can select that, then you can enter the code here, then you can log back into your Instagram account. But if you can't access them, just tap try another way, as well as if you have see more option, just select that, then it will provide some additional verification method. Like this one, you can use your phone number, get a one-time verification code via SMS. Here, you have to enter that one-time verification code here, but it's not possible. Just tap try another way. As the final option, you can use your backup code. If you have generated some backup code, you can use one of them. It has 8 digits, so you can enter those code and log back into your account. But here, I'm trying to explain the worst case scenario. So I believe you can't access any of above mentioned verification method. In that case, scroll down, then you have to recover it. To recover your account, just tap this blue color link called account recovery. After selecting, you will get this window here. Either you can submit a video selfie, or if you don't have any real photo, you can watch the alternative way to recover your account, get help from your Instagram friend. So you can find that video link in the description. Here, I'm going to submit a video selfie. So I will select the very first one. Then Instagram asks you how they can reach you. Here, you have to enter your new email address. Don't enter your old email address because they will send a 6-digit one-time verification code. So enter an email address that you can access. So you will get an email notification. If you didn't receive any notification, you can go back to your new email address. Then you can see is there a new email from Instagram. You can open that email and copy this code to the clipboard, or you can enter the code here. Like this, I will paste my code, then I can confirm my new login email address. All other login method and phone numbers will be removed from your account. Then you have to submit a video selfie. Here it provides some instruction to when you capture a video selfie. So first you have to allow your camera permission. Tap the allow button at the bottom in the pop-up window. Either you can select while using the application or only this time. Then if you tap help, it provides some additional instruction how you can capture a video selfie. After capturing, you can submit the video selfie to the Facebook team to review. After reviewing, they will send a one-time recovery link, or they will provide some backup code to log back into your account, or you can tap this login button, then you can log back into your account easily. But using this method, if you couldn't log back in, I invite you to watch the full recovery tutorial. You can find that video link in the description, or you can click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later!